Sanibona bafethu, welcome back to Starting 11. Igama lami nguSanele aka uDonsa Nkabi. Njengenjalo bafethu, angihambi ngedwa, ngihamba noSibuda Libuda. Sibuda hamba kanjani?
Shop kunjani?
Hayi ugrand.
Hayi mnandi mas.
Bafethu namhlanje bekudlala iMamelodi Sundowns versus Chippa United. But before we get into the game, bafethu please follow us on YouTube at Starting 11 XI. Starting 11 wenamba then bese kuba XI. Sibuda, Mamelodi Sundowns 4, Chippa United 1. Sibuda, let's get into the game first.
Sure. Nginibingelele babukeli balandeli bethu, ma followers ethu, ma subscribers ethu. Sibonge umdalo ukuthi usesigcinile sawumphefumulo ohlangene nenyanga. Sesiphinde sabuya futhi Starting 11. Yeah, dlalile Sundowns against
Chippa United.
Yeah, iChippa i-organized team enayo i-pace futhi enayo i-counter attack. Bebeyimisele ayizange give up iChippa. Yabo, nethi into engiyibukile ibhekane ne-experience kakhulu. I-experience ibingaphezulu kwabo. If bekungeyona iSundowns bese i-performance ifana nele ibingayiwina ile game ilokhojana
iChippa United.
Nethi i-experience nokubakhulu kwabadlali nokubakhulu kweteam okwenza ukuthi isuppresseke ilokhojana iChippa. Yeah.
But do you think the players get intimidated? But because the first half was like bengazathi draw.
Bebengekho intimidated bona. Bebedlala ngendlela abafanele badlale ngayo. Into ebashayile they are against the mighty Sundowns. Check look igoal la Allende. That was
goal.
Yeah, that was Sundowns showing ukuthi no, we are bigger than you. We are experienced than you. We are good at this and we want this and we've been winning the championship and following year after year,
maybe 7 years.
Yabo. So noma ngabe kuthiwa ischeme sethu asihlangene noma siperformi kahle but sizokupenalize, sizokukorela. Yabo, la kwabhala Allende 1-0. Yeah, and futhi abakhona ama combination Sundowns is good at passing. Ibiwasha ama pass iChippa. But our Sundowns befika bemnandi kakhulu. Yeah, passes against a team that's able to pass ball, construct ama move against a team nayo ekwazi construct besibhekene ukuthi khona ne upper hand than abanye. Yeah, wabhala uLokhojana Reyners igoli lesibili 2-0. Then lapho ibisikhuphuka too much. Sundowns isikhuphuka isifuna ukuthi i-attack kanti abagive uphile laba no more this. Ungabasha 10-0 within 5 minutes, they won't give up. Bazoyiqhubeka i-counter attack ingakubashaye kanjalo i-goal. Sebekhuphukile laba kakhulu kanti bazoshaya amabhola baphase lama long ball abo. Liphuma sebeya phambili seyagijima isuka ecenter ngasecenter iSundowns iyomaka seyibheke ipalilanga kubo. Uthe uma elihead lo lahlangana nomdlali weLokhojana. Yeah.
Ukwayiba lo Korele.
Ukwayiba. Will lihlangane naye. Ngesikhathi lihlangana noSinoxolo ayikho i-defend him occupy aseza ngemuva. Wakwazi ukuthi apenalize. Usondelile futhi kukhipha.
Yeah.
Ukhipha ngazi noma bekumele azichaye yini abemkhulu.
Ukhipha bekumele aphume nje.
Yabo, intercept le ball.
Yes.
Amphazamise.
Yes.
Yeah, yabhala kwawu 2-1. Yaba nalo ke ithemba
ukuthi bese ngazathi igame ibalance.
Yeah, sisekhona egame
first half
but experience. Azange basa equalize because iSundowns ibuyele kuma positions ayo first half ziguquka nje u2-1 iscore. Second half abekhona ama changes kwa introducer umshishi. Yeah, Matthews bekhona
angizange abethi namhlanje ungidlalele kamnandi. Angifuni qawamanga. He was there offensive, he was there defensive as well. He was a hard worker namhlanje. I was happy for performance like yeah, I think he wants to go to the World Cup as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cupido first half good performance. Nakhona second but ayibenzima kakhulu.
Another player that was amazing, Unsegi Tsabeleng. Yeah, lo mjito bamlone from MLS side.
Okay.
Udlalile namhlanje. I think he got an assist.
Yeah, ne.
Yeah.
Ulele lishawo
Urinas.
Umatthews.
Umatthews lele start. I think lele Reynas because uAlende uyikorelile. Then Urinas angithi ulihedile.
Yeah.
I think lele Reynas because lele Matthews bengayena futhi. Lele Leon yes, I think lele Reynas yeah. Keep the good work Nsegi mfethu.
Yeah. As well as i-right back bebeyihlupha kakhulu first half ye-Sundowns. But ke second half ayibambe zaqina kodwa ayizange libe khona iphutha like ukuthi kuba i-goal but bangenile cishe 2-3 times. Ngoba umdunyela ngoba ubengekho umdawu. But ke well played. Not ukuthi bebezenzela kwaze kwa.
Yeah.
Well
played. Moments nje.
Yeah. Ngale bengitshela ukuthi hayi mhlambe bazomphumuza uModiba.
Yeah, nami
ukungene uLunga
yes.
But ke babakhiphile basubstitute ngeLokhujana. Wangena uLunga, wangena noMdawu ngapha. Wangena uMshishi,
wangena Tebo.
Yazi lavelela inyuka izinga lama pass lapha ya. La nyukela
lesinama spaces asingawazi ukuthi aqhamuka manje.
Lanyukela ngisho wonke umuntu. Yakhipha ipass lapha na Alend. I-true pen pass. Yo.
Bekhiphela abantu Lunga noma bekhiphela ba?
Cishe uLunga ngoba belakala
noma Matthews.
Ngenzeka. Yaphuma leLokhujana leya pass. Ekanokusho leya pass. Yeah. Bhalile uMatteo lapha ya. And ngicabanga ukuthi belibuya kuRainers leli bhola.
Yeah.
Libuya kuRainers. Nanso ke into efanele uyenze. Litholile ibhola passeli net maybe near far post. Ukeeper usithwa abadlali. I-team izokwazi ukuthi iyandise ithali yamagoli. This is how into kufanele ayenze from the start. Yeah. Idlalile kamnandi belimnandi leli bhola. Yeah, yiko ukuthi phela bese kukhombisa ukuthi iSundowns abadlali bebese kuyibafana. Of which bengingasiboni isidingo sokuthi balandwe mina abadlali beLokhujana beSundowns. uFIFA noPSL abakhombisanga ukuba sehlangothini leSundowns. Kanti basazodingeka abadlali bakhona kuphi esquadini of which is a friendly game. I-serious game le eyidinga iSundowns ukuthi iwin. Igame elandelayo eCAF serious game more than lento ebeyizwa more than lento ebeyidlalwa iBafana. Bakho ikhona idefense esikhukhuni, ikhona imidfield yePirates, ikhona ifront players yeStellenbosch. Bekungaba iBafana izodlala nePanama leyo. Bizoyimatcha futhi iLokhujana igame standard yePanama le. Bake bakhululwa bazofike bancishwe ukuthi bahlehlisele umdlalo ubaphunyuzwe isikhathi eside ngenxa yokuthi badlala neCAF. Baphinde badlalele bathathelwa abadlali bayodlala ama-friendly bese nema games amaningi ekusafanele bawadlala. Hayi ngoba siyithanda noma siyifavor. Yeah, but njengoba i-second leg idliwe iBafana. What was the use ke ukuthi kuthathwe Lokhujana abadlali beLokhujana beSundowns beyodlala lapha ya? Because bebengekho abantu abebezoconvert amagoli. Angcwanithi iBafana iwinile. Yeah, manje idliwe. Bakhathalela amahala abadlali beSundowns. Yabo. Substitute ngeno Leon
ngo-86 minutes.
Leon angazi kulo lonke ibhola esengike ngalibuka phesheya eMzansi igoli nje kuleya angle angaze ngalibona.
Sizolibona kuma training.
Fanele kube ngathini kube umlando liqoshwe kuye yonke iplatform kuye yonke history kube history one of moment yehistory in football go record into eyenziwe kuLokhujana.
Maphoje lamabhuku lawa no Ronaldo khona la usuka i-genius bani Genesis book bani yini le mawenza into nje
brilliant
uyifake lapha
ngiyakhohlwa lamabhuku
kodwa nje lapho kumele ifakwe la
umlando lo
ayishayi
umlando which player ever did this in history of football akekho
a normal match
leliya bhola lifika interceptor ukeeper walanda ngesikhathi elilanda kusafanele jika 10 ngoba i first time from goalkeeper lize liya la
kanye futhi
waba i first time akanga trap akanze nje walithi nakhona
spina lathi
angeke sisho ukuthi ubekora noma ubupass but it was a goal ngoba bese isibhale 4 iSundowns la counter kamnandi yabo into engakazi uyibone ndawo into engakazi yenziwe nawo yedwa umdlalo leli bhola alideserve ukuthi kube igoal of the season eSouth Africa fanele kube igoal of the century worldwide buki endli buka ama inches between leliya bhola ne goal line ukuthi liphume cishe space esingaka ukuthi kube i-out ball yabo kube i-out ball leyo likwazi ukuthi lishawe eduze kweline kwe-goal line liyohambe liyoba yi-goal well done to uLeon what a nice performance man of the match kube uNtsiki substitution Unsiki
yabona this is how you say I'm back yabona nje ama landlords are back manje this is how you announce a president ukuthi whoever was there ngingekho ngibuyile manje ngibuyile manje and kusazoba nje futhi kuphinde kube nje and ama games unfortunately ama game ayancipha finda 2 games manje ngolesibili kuyobe kuthi 23 kuyobe kusele 7 games if Pirates and Sundowns they both win ama game on Tuesday so i-pressure increases or decreases asazi ukuthi increase akubani noma i-decrease akubani or iyacreases akubani asazi kodwa mina ngibafisela ukuthi bewine wonke lama game asele bonke
khona uzoyina ke lapha i-title khona
mina omunye ngifisa ukuthi aqhubeke nje ngo-6-0 abashawo 6-0 omunye noma engawina ngo-2-1 ke le bewawine wonke nje ne bafethu danke siyabonga